Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Myself Janisha from St. Joseph Composite PU College, Vijaypur. In the previous episode, we have discussed about some revision session. In that 4 marks questions, 2 questions we discussed. Today again we'll continue that session. In this session again we are discussing about 2 questions, that is also 4 marks questions. So question number 1, briefly explain the production possibility frontier. So regarding this topic, today we are going to discuss, briefly explain the production possibility frontier. Then what is production possibility frontier? Before going to answer this, we need to write the meaning of a production possibility frontier. Say students, a production possibility curve, that is also called as production possibility frontier or a PPC. That means PPC or the production possibility frontier or curve is a graphical representation. Remember this point, it is what? It is the graphical representation of all possible combinations of amounts of two goods. Means all the possible combinations of two goods, its graphical presentation, okay, and which can produce by using its limited resources and available technology is called as a production possibility frontier. That means what is production possibility frontier? A graphical presentation of all the possible combinations of two goods or the two commodities and which can produce in the economy by using its limited resources and the available technology. So this is what the production possibility frontier. Then what is production possibility set? See, frontier means what? It is graphical representation. So set means what? It is the collection of all possible combinations of the goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and a given stock of technological knowledge. That is what production possibility set of the economy. That means under the production possibility set, the economy which can use what for the production of goods and services, the economy can be used available resources as well as the stock of a technological knowledge. So this is what the production possibility set. Okay students, now this production possibility frontier theory we can express with the help of one example. See, this gives the combination of two commodities, that is corn as well as the cotton. Here there are two commodities, that is corn as well as cotton, right? See, according to this table you can able to see here possibilities, means combinations are A, B, C, D and E. By the different combinations here, two commodities which can produce, that is what expressed with the help of this example. As per this table, if a country uses all its resources to grow cotton, then it can grow a maximum of what cotton, that is 10 units it produce. Okay, that is which is shown in the possibility or the combination A. Similarly, if all the resources are used to grow corn, then it can grow a maximum of 4 units of wheat. That is we can observe in this table. Yes, see here, if what the economy or if the country, they can uses all the resources for the production of cotton, then the maximum level of or the 10 units of cotton we can get. Yes, similarly, if it is the country has to spend all the resources for the production of corn, then we can get the maximum unit of corn, that is 4 units, right? So if the resources are to be used to grow both the commodities, suppose if the resources can be used for the production of both the commodities, that is corn and cotton togetherly, then the combinations of B, C and D can be chosen. Understood? Suppose if the country has to be uses all the resources, then what the combinations will be created like B, C, D. Okay, so this is what expressed with the help of this table. Now this can be illustrated with the help of graphically. According to this graph, you just see here, according to this graph, in the diagram, the combinations A to E, that is lying on the production possibility curve. See here, point A to what E. This is what the production possibility frontier, right? So this is what A to E, point A, B, C, D, E. This is what the production possibility frontier curve, which represent that a country can produce both the commodities with the help of available resources and technology. Means both the commodities, means commodity corn as well as cotton togetherly produced in the economy. If the points lying strictly below the production possibility curve like this, if the point, it should be strictly below, see lying down, okay, below the what, lying down, that means here which represents a combination of cotton and wheat that will be produced when all of the sum of the resources are either underemployed or are utilized in a wasteful fashion. So this is what the production possibility frontier diagram. Next, question number 2. Briefly explain centrally planned economy. So this is one more 4 marks question. Then let me discuss regarding this concept. So then, economic activities that can be organized under 3 ways. That means there are 3 types of economic systems. They are centrally planned economy or the socialist economy. Second one, market economy or the capitalist economy. And the third one, mixed economy. So these are the 3 types of economic system. Okay. So in that, first we will discuss about the centrally planned economy. Then we'll discuss about the centrally planned economy. So what is centrally planned economy? Then how the centrally planned economy is managed and who will control. So those things we discuss here, and this is also for 4 marks question. The government or the central authority, they plans all the important activities in the economy. So under the centrally planned economy, the government or the central authority, they only plans all the important activities, that is economic activities in the economy. And also who plays a major role in this centrally planned economy? The government only. So government plays an important role in the decision of economic activities. Okay, so what are the economic activities? Those economic activities is nothing but regarding the employment or regarding the fixing the price and all. So this is what the economic activities. So the following countries, they follow the centrally planned economy, that is North Korea, Cuba, China as well as the Vietnam. So these countries followed the centrally planned economy. And second one, as you know that already we discussed in the previous episode also, market economy. Yes. So market means what? It is the set of arrangement where the buying and selling activities can take place, or the economic agents can freely exchange their endowments or the products with each other. That is what the market, right? So under the market economy, the motive is what? That is profit making. And also here the decisions are taken through the market mechanism. Okay, so such type of market economy was followed by the countries like Japan, USA, Australia and other countries. Last one, mixed economy. Then what is mixed economy? So the name only says that mixed means what? It is the coexistence. So in reality, all the economies are mixed type of economy. This is for 1 marks question also. That means a coexistence of both the private and public sector enterprises, that is called as mixed economy. Okay, means the mixture of the private as well as the public sector enterprises, that is called as mixed economy. So here the resources are owned and governed by both the private and the public enterprises. So public as well as private enterprises togetherly, they can own as well as governed by the activities. So that is called as mixed economy. So mixed economy, which was followed by the countries like India as well as the Pakistan, these are the best example for the mixed economy. Okay students, so this is what the economic systems, or the 3 types of economic system also. So here in this part it covers 4 marks, 2 questions also covered, means briefly explain the centrally planned economy and also briefly explain the market economy. So in the next episode we'll further continue the same session, some more questions. Until that you need to practice all these questions. Thank you.